Hi again, Paul McClendon here with Chicago Pneumatic. We're going to go through the startup procedure of the CP185 portable air compressor. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open the canopy, and on the back side of the control panel here there's a rocker switch, and what it does is it shuts off the power to the control panel when this thing is sitting and not in use. So you're going to press the rocker switch into the up position, and then you're going to press the green button here on the control panel, and you're going to notice that the power is going to come on the screen to the control panel. As it goes through its startup procedure, then it'll let you know it's ready to start. You will press the green button again to get the engine to start. As the engine starts and warms up, you'll let it get up to operating temperature. And then in order to get the machine to actually work and make pressure, you're going to press this green button again to load the air in. And then you'll notice the pressure gauge on the screen will go from somewhere in the vicinity of 30 PSI up to 125 PSI. And then you know you're ready to operate. So at that point, you will come down. Once you've set everything on the trailer like it needs to be, you will put the ball valve in the operate position where it's actually producing air to your blast pot. One of the things that's super critical on any air compressor, not just the Chicago Pneumatic, is to make sure that the canopy is in the down position. You want to make sure your clasps are locked on both sides of the machine. But you do not want to run the machine with the canopy open, because it's part of the cooling process of the machine. You want to make sure that the canopy stays down. That way the machine stays at operating temperature. So in the shutdown position, you will then press the green button again to shut the pressure off to the machine and shut the air end off where it's not making air anymore. And then once it gets back down to that 30 PSI range, you'll be able to shut the engine off, which is going to be the red button. And then you will shut the red button off one more time to shut the power off to the control panel. On the operation of the machine, one of the things that we've added to it is an emergency stop button. And it is just that, is an emergency stop. So you would want to use the emergency stop in a situation where maybe there is a fire or something like that. You just never know when some freak accident like that could happen, but that would be the one time you'd want to use the emergency stop. But to shut the engine off in normal operation, you're going to press the red button and let go of it, and it will shut the engine down in normal shutdown procedure.